Let's go, everyone! Today we're unboxing another special rare package. This is an Apple employee swag t-shirt. So you can only get this t-shirt if you're an employee of the company. And my homie let me unbox it who works there. So let's see what kind of shirt this is, how Apple hooks up the swag for their employees. Wow. Very, very festive. It's like a nice holiday green. Apple logo in the middle. Alright, once again, only for employees of Apple. I don't know if it's team dependent or what, but my homie's letting me unbox it. Wow. High quality, high quality. It's like a greenish. Ooh, what does it say? What does it say? Hardware, tech, program management, and infrastructure. And that's it. So, yeah, looks like a nice employee swag shirt. Hope you all enjoy. Please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos like this one. All right, see you all next time. Later.